there is much more good in it than bad. And what might seem to be a series of unfortunate events may, in fact, be the first steps of a journey. The journey begins here, at the home of our new guardian.
Hello, hello, hello. I am your beloved Count Olaf. I am your beloved Count Olaf.
3 orphans.
My dear Violet.
An unscrupulous guardian.
All I ask is that you do each and every little thing that pops into my head, while I enjoy the enormous fortune your parents left behind.
Now on DVD. Based on the series of best-selling books, you're invited to discover
This way, to the reptile room.
a world built by imagination. Jim Carrey.
Then the unthinkable happened.
We're family. I can be the ultimate dad.